What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I'm like a day late, but it's okay. Happy New Year to all of you out there. Today I want to share with you guys my resolution for the new year, and I thought it would be really cool if I put together this little vision board and show you guys how I create mine and pretty much explain what I'm putting on my board and why. So I guess we're just gonna get right into the video. So what you're gonna need for a vision board, wait, back up, because I have to explain what a vision board is. To me, a vision board is basically like your goals and your New Year's resolution just put into a physical form, a visual representation. It's just pretty self-explanatory, but people ask all the time like, what is a vision board? And that's just the only explanation I have for it. So I went out to the dollar store and I went to the library and I got me a few supplies and stuff, and I'm just going to show you guys how I put together. So I have this whiteboard. I have a few pictures that I printed out that I want to go on mine. A lot of people use magazines, but for some reason I can't find out one magazine around the house, and that's weird because we used to have a stack of them. But yeah, I didn't get magazines, so I just got an assortment of letters. I hope this focus. I got an assortment of letters and stuff, some markers, some little signs, and my glue. Before I actually do my vision board, I wanted to show you guys my, what you call this thing? It's not a planner, but my journal. And in my journal, hold up. In my journal, I just wrote down my goals for the year. Oh, go ahead, focus. I wrote down my goals for the year, and I just wanted to have like a broad description of what I wanted to put on my vision board, which is in turn how I was able to print out these pictures that I'm going to show you guys. But yeah, before you do your vision board, you always just want to write down the goals and stuff that you have. They can be long term, short term. They can be something you probably don't ever think you're going to achieve, but hey, if you work your butt off, you can do anything you want to do in life. Seriously, I got a few stuff on here that I'm like, that's reaching, but I'm gonna reach beyond what I know I can do. So I really couldn't get a good like angle to show you guys how I'm gonna put it together, so I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put it together and then I'm gonna just present it to you guys and explain each part of the vision board, if that's okay with y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just switch the camera angle a little bit and we're gonna get started. I'm excited. All right, so I pretty much cut out everything and I kind of grouped them together in like broad categories. For example, this is my travel, this is dance related, this is inspirational, this is personal lifestyle, makeup, and then this is miscellaneous items. But they all like kind of go hand in hand, so I'm just gonna find a way that I want. I'm gonna figure out how I want to glue this down. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the order I have it right now, but that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, you guys, so I finished my vision board. Can you see? This is my vision board. It looks so good. I don't even know if you guys can see it all, but I'm gonna step to the side so I can show you guys. All right, so the first thing I have on the top of my vision board is #create, and I have a picture of Chris Brown, Missy Elliott, a dance studio, and Sierra. My personal goals for this year is just to be more consistent dance-wise, train more, get in the studio more, post more footage of me, and my overall goal in life, it doesn't even have to be this year, but I'm definitely shooting for this year, is to work with one of these artists. These 3 artists have really impacted me on such a great note as far as like being a dancer, and I just love their style, their music, and just how they go about things in terms of the creative side, which is why I always wanted to work with them. Of course, I want to work with more artists, but those are my top 3 on my list, so I have them here. So you guys will notice that I have some quotes. They're written on these little things here. So the first quote would be, "You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated." And I have a lot of quotes centering around that reassurance area, like self-reassurance, and basically quotes about being resilient, because you deal with a lot of rejections in life, especially me for a dancer. So most of this is dance. My quotes are dance related, but it can be applied to everyday life. But yeah, I have a lot of those quotes. The next thing I have is a studio apartment, a car, money, and the gym, and makeup. Okay, I could do all of these together. Another thing I want to accomplish this year, I do plan to apply for studio school, which is in LA, and get my BFA in dance. That's like such a big transition for me because I live in Chicago, all of my family is here, so for me to make that move will be just very like life-changing, because I'll be pretty much on my own. But hey, it's time. I'm 20 years old now, so it's kind of like you gotta grow up someday. So I definitely wanted to get like an apartment, or if not even an apartment, just be able to find a dorm or find a roommate and just be on my own for a little while. I have a car right now, but I would like to get an upgrade or even work on my car even more and just get it up and running so I won't have any problems with it for 2019. I also, please note that I also have my my dream car, which is the BMW X6. So if I ever get a chance to get that, I will be like, I will die. These are like some of my long-term goals, so I'm gonna probably put this on every vision board that I have from here on out, but I definitely want that. I also have the money. I just want to be able to save more money this year and stop impulse spending and spending all my money on freaking food, because that's where most of my money goes anyways. So I have the makeup on here because I also freelance when I have time. So these two go hand in hand, the makeup and the money. I definitely want to be able to save enough money so that I can invest in a really good professional freelance makeup artist kit, in turn drawing in more customers, building more relationships, and then making the money right back and being able to save up for things that I want down the line. So yeah, I also have a gym down here because I want to transition to the healthy lifestyle. The only way that I exercise is through dance, but I would like to hit the gym like once or twice a week outside of dance and just, you know, build my body muscle, learn how to eat healthier, all types of stuff. So that's why that is there. And then we're just gonna skip the middle a little bit. Oh wait, we can do this one. So I have a little romance situation going on here because I am single. I've been single for a minute now. Not saying I'm rushing to get in a relationship or anything like that, but you know, it'd be nice to have a little babe, you know, and create memories with. I mean, you could do that with a dog, but like, you get me. I also have hair. This kind of goes in hand with the healthier lifestyle because I really don't take care of my hair that much. I did the big chop and I just let it grow out. I think I'm gonna do an update on that, by the way, because it's January now. It's gonna be a year next week maybe, so I'll probably give you guys an update on that. But I definitely want to take care of my hair so I can hit this stage where she has beautiful big afro. And yeah, I'm gonna be more consistent with that. Speaking of consistency, I have a quote, consistency is key. That's something I have to work on because it's crazy, and it kind of goes in hand with this right here too, because another one of my goals is to gain 100,000 subscribers this year. Now this one, I was like, yeah, that's kind of a reach, but I feel like I can do it with consistency. I feel like, because you guys seem to enjoy my videos. I get pretty decent amount of views, pretty decent feedback when I do post. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna shoot for this, and this will be my biggest tip. Consistency is key, and that's how I'll be able to get my 100,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, go ahead so you guys can follow my journey. And then there's also another quote here. It says, don't worry about failure, worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. Again, guys, I'm really big on self-doubt. Like, sometimes I talk myself out of stuff, so I had to put this right here because I've missed a lot of chances by just not doing it and just not going and not showing up, pulling up when I need to. So I have that, and then I have hashtag live, and I have like a little traveling area right here. I definitely want to travel a little bit more, and that kind of goes back to money. I have to save in order to travel. So but yeah, I definitely want to travel. Essence Festival is on my list of places that I need to be this year. There's just so much Black excellence at that event, and I definitely want to be a part of something special like that, because Essence Magazine definitely paved the way for a lot of us African Americans, women especially too. So that's definitely on my list. I have LA on here because I want to go out there and network in terms of dance. I just want to train more out there. I also kind of want to sign to an agency, so if I can get that, that'll be lovely. Like, but yeah, I definitely want to go to LA to train more for dance. And then I have Inspire, and I have some little inspirational stuff right here. Gold Digger, I just kept that. I put that on here as a reminder that I got stuff to do. Like, I got goals I have to achieve, and I can't do it just by sitting on my butt. So that's there. I have a favorite quote, which is by John Lennon. Oh wait, I have another quote. You only need one yes. Y'all see that? That's at the bottom, but that's very important. You only need one yes. That's very important to me because I told you guys I be doubting myself a lot. I don't really take rejection well. I mean, I never really had a really bad experience where I got rejected, but like when I get rejected, I feel salty. But you only need one yes. So if I have that one yes, all of them no's wouldn't even matter. You know what I'm saying? Like, you get what I'm saying, right? Like, you only need one yes. This could be for anything. Your job, your boyfriend. For me, it's dance. You only need one yes. So just remember that when you're like in a really dark space and you want to give up, just keep going. Your yes didn't come yet. Brings me to this part. In the end, everything will be okay. If it's not okay, it is not the end. That is my favorite quote in life, and that's by John Lennon. I live by this quote because, you know, we all go through stuff. We really do. We all go through stuff, and it just be those times where you're like, man, I don't know what to do. I can't. You want to give up, but like, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. And then my overall theme for 2019 is happiness. So whatever I plan to do, I may not even go according to this board, but whatever I decide to venture out and do in 2019, I just want to be genuinely happy with the results that I have, with what I'm going to do with my life. I just want to be happy. I just want to be happy. I want to be judge free. I want to be at peace. I just want to be happy. Just happy. That's all. I just really want to be happy. I keep saying it, but like, it's easier said than done. It's so hard to be happy nowadays because there's so much negativity in the world. But I'm going to remain positive in 2019, and I'm just going to let my happiness take me where I need to be in life. So with that being said, this pretty much wraps up my vision board. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, thank you guys for letting me share it with you guys. I feel really peaceful with this video. Like, after I've done this video, I feel like really productive right now, and I don't know, something about vision boards, man. It really gets you there. But this pretty much wraps up my video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Comment down below again your goals for 2019. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't a part of my little family, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos that I may post. And I'll see you guys in my next one.